making trouble for myself, but I don't know any better. I could call you, but it's too much, so I'll write a stupid letter for you, saying these things that I cannot begin to explain, but I could help you forget it, cause you regret the pouring false soap in the words you wrote then into your heart. You paved the road that led to nowhere and watched it fall apart, and I may never be or be enough for you to leave it behind. Let me try to change your mind. It's not over till it's over. It's not over just this time. It's not over, but it will be over. When it's over, you can start to rewind and finally gain some perspective. Now you become more selective. You don't want nobody to touch